Hi guys, and welcome to my first tutorial on creating a free website using Wix. I've already created a website using Wix, however I'm going to approach this the same as you would if you've just Googled Wix and you're about to start. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. Okay, so this is the window that we're presented with when we Google Wix.com. So let's click on the Get Started button here, and we need to click on the sign up, so we'll click on that. So over here you need to put in your email. That can be your college email or your personal email, and then you repeat that email again. And then you need to come up with a password, repeat that password, and then you click on sign up. I would avoid using continue with Facebook and continue with Google because this may not work in college. So your safer bet is to basically sign up using this side of the page here. So when you've completed that, we'll move on to the next page. Right, so on to the next page. We want your Wix experience to be perfect for your needs. Answer a few questions to help us get to know you better. So let's do it. Click on that. I want to create a site for myself. Okay, let's go with other. This, so I want to create a site for myself. It should be, and then just click other, and then next question, let's go for never done this before. Next question, let Wix ADI create a website for you. So this is where you get a lot of help and it's designed for you, although I feel that you won't have as much control if you choose this option. So if I were you, I would go for choose a template over here. So click on choose a template. So this is where we pick the website template that we want. As a media studies student, I would take a look at this creative section, and then down here we have graphic and web, art, illustration, fashion design. There's also video, film and TV. We'll just have a look at those, film and TV. So give it a second. You may want to take a look at these templates. This might be a good start depending on what you're planning to do. If I go back here, we'll also have a quick look at the fashion design, and if you're planning to do a website based on that, these may be worth having a look at. Lots of templates there for you to get started. I'm actually going to be making a travel blog, so I'm going to click on it here, and I'm going to make a food and travel blog. So I'm going to click on that, and that should open up some templates. And then I'm going to select this, the Traveler's Blog. So if we just click on that, and you get a message saying use this template as a starting point to change anything you want to make this your own website. So then we will click on edit this site, which then opens up the Wix website editor page. This is where we start to make this template our own, and you will get this animation while you wait for it to construct and start to ground up build your website. So then we get a welcome to Wix. It's easy to create your own stunning website. So we click on the start now, and here we are. We are now in the Wix website editor. We have selected our template and we're ready to go. Okay guys, so at this point we need to click on the save button just here. When we click on save, we'll be presented with this page. Choose a domain to save your site. We want a free Wix.com domain, so this will be the address of our website. You can change this section here to anything that's available. I'm going to just stay with my site. This is a practice project for me, and click on save and continue, and then we just wait for the save to complete, and then you'll get a confirmation window. Your site was saved. There is our website address, and we can then click on done. I will see you in the next tutorial where we will start digging in and making the website our own. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.